Welcome to RV Easy Cooking. Today we're going to have some pork tenderloin boneless, and I'll show you how it's cooked. So we have boneless here, we have capers, some garlic, onions for sauteing the pork, salt, oregano, cayenne pepper, some liquid sauce, which I will show you how it's done, pepper, and oil. And we're going to saute the pork in some onions. And first we're going to get our wok nice and hot, put some oil in there, and throw some the onions. And then we'll add the pork in there. Remember, your wok will have to be nice and hot. Now the pork is almost seared very nicely. We're going to pour some oil on the bottom of the pan, and that's lined with some aluminum, and you don't want the meat to stick to the aluminum. And then the reason for the aluminum is to keep the pan from getting really dirty, so you have to clean it up. Remember, this is RV cooking. Okay, so there's your pork, and the rest of the onions go in there. Now we're going to cook this at 400 degrees in a convection oven. Make sure your temperature shows 450 degrees for 25 minutes. At 25 minutes, we take this out. It's hot. Take it out of the pan, and you can see your cooking pan is nice and clean, nothing to clean. Now, we're going to slice this at half-inch thick slices. Whoa, nice and hot. Just grab a napkin, doesn't matter. Just about half-inch. Okay, now we're going to put our slices into the pan. Notice I have aluminum folded here, in two on the bottom, and an extra leaf I left it on the top. So is to cover it for the first 15 minutes. We're just going to line it up anywhere you like. Just line it up. And we're going to salt this, and I'm going to put some oregano on it, and some garlic, and our capers. This is our cayenne pepper and pepper with this old Greek coffee grinder. And the rest of the slices. Now don't forget, all the onions go in there too. That will give you some nice crunchy flavor. And discard this. Paper napkins for your cutting board. That will soak up all the stuff. Now, there's some garlic here. Some more capers, the rest of the capers, and some oregano. Make sure you grind it like that, make it nice. Some salt, your cayenne pepper, and and the pepper. Now, this is your honey and lemon juices. Put that in there. Now this is a half a cup of honey, half a cup of lemon, and 1 cup of warm water to melt the honey so it will be evenly distributed. Then we'll cover it and cook it for 450 degrees for 15 minutes. And then we will take the cover off, let it nice and brown for another 15 minutes at 450 degrees. Okay, here we go. Okay, this dish here is going to have some rice, which I have cooked, and some leftover peas in a red sauce. Now, we're going to flavor this rice. A little bit of lemon, and a little bit of oil. Now, we're going to mix this up, and then we're going to add the peas in the red sauce. And we're just going to mix it up. Our dish is ready. We're ready to take it out of the oven, and there you have it. This is pork tenderloin, boneless, in a honey lemon sauce. So here's the presentation. We add some pork, we add some peas and rice mixture, remember this is RV cooking. You have to make the most of it, the space that you have. Now, here's some of that lemon honey sauce on your pork. And there you have it. This is RV Easy Cooking. Mike is your host.